What begins here as raw bull hide will pass through chemicals, pressure, heat, polishing, and relentless inspection until it becomes the premium leather used inside modern car interiors. In this process, every stage matters, because only a perfectly controlled transformation can turn raw hide into durable luxury leather engineered for heat friction and years of automotive use. Before processing begins, every hide is verified for traceability, grade, and usable area, because consistency at intake determines consistency in the final automotive leather. Thickness is 2.1,
Got it. Yield?
4,500 square feet.
And color is black.
Confirmed. Save it. The first major transformation begins in soaking, where preserved bull hide is rehydrated, cleaned, and returned to a workable state before the real chemical processing can start. Flat and untorn. Guided steady. Looks good. Smoothing the edges now. It's clear. Next one. After dehairing and splitting, the hide is chemically balanced and softened, preparing the fiber structure for the tanning stage that will define durability, feel, and long-term performance. Tanning is the stage that changes raw hide into real leather, locking the collagen structure so it can resist heat wear and repeated use inside a vehicle. Once tanned, the leather must rest and equalize. Before precision shaving and retanning, refine it into a material suitable for premium automotive finishing. At this stage, the leather receives its base color, and uniform dye penetration is critical because automotive interiors demand stable appearance across the entire hide. Drying must remove moisture without distorting the leather, because area retention and sheet stability directly affect usable yield for automotive upholstery. Surface finishing starts with a precisely controlled coating system that gives automotive leather its final color consistency, feel, and wear resistance. This pigmentation stage evens the surface color and begins building the visual finish expected from premium leather used in vehicle interiors. The top coat is what protects the leather in real use, helping it resist abrasion, heat, and everyday contact inside the cabin of a car. Before testing starts, the finished leather is conditioned to a stable state because accurate performance results depend on controlled temperature and moisture. Automotive leather has to survive constant contact, so abrasion testing confirms that the finished surface can handle years of sliding pressure and daily use. Once performance is approved, the hide is digitally mapped, because usable area and defect-free zones determine how efficiently it can be cut for real automotive interior parts. Only after testing and application checks are complete is the leather released for final preparation, packaging, and shipment. At this point, the leather is fully finished, approved, and ready for shipment, but careful packaging is still essential to protect the surface until it reaches the interior materials supply chain. The finished hides are packed to prevent compression marks, surface damage, and moisture exposure, because packaging quality directly affects how the leather arrives at the next stage of the supply chain. With final checks complete, the leather leaves the tannery as a controlled commercial material, ready for delivery to automotive suppliers and premium interior material distributors. From here, the finished leather moves through distribution exactly as a premium automotive material should, protected, traceable, and ready for final commercial presentation. This is the final result of the entire process, a fully finished automotive leather hide engineered for durability, appearance, and long-term performance inside modern car interiors.